Okay, boys and girls, we're back once again. This is a second desk that was a replacement because my first one came cracked. And it's a crack like all the way in the, come on, camera. Wow, is this really the first time it's ever messed up like this? Okay, there it focused. And it's like, it came cracked, they replaced it, and this is the new one. And yeah, we're gonna just verify that this one came good. I took the photos. I guess they're gonna file a shipping claim, whatever, to replace the other one, because somebody's gotta pay for it, right? If this one comes damaged as well, no matter how much I like UpLift, I'm just gonna be honest, I'm gonna have to just cancel and return the whole order. Just gonna be honest. So this one better not have come damaged. It's just, it's out of principle, you know? Like, you just can't buy broken things that many times. 1 second. Pay for something better, you know? I can't have a desk company go full Ryzen on me, you know? All right, so let's open this up. That's gonna fall back down. That sucks. This is actually gonna take some time for me to pull out, but I'm gonna verify that this came not cracked and not damaged. All right, so got the desk out of that. I don't see a crack, so we're making progress here. This might be the desk today, and I might finally be able to order a monitor after I'm done building this desk and actually get some work done. God bless. Okay, so good news. This top, it came a little dirty. I don't know if you can tell. Some marks. This piece of wood, specifically from UpLift. I know the light is not white. Give me 1 second. I'll make it white. Oh, my bad. It just turns it on. I don't have the other remote. But basically, this one came in good condition. And it's just some marks on the sides. I'll use a wet wipe, see if I can fix it, make it go away. But honestly, it is what it is. I'm happy with it. The other cracked one, I'm not paying like $2,000 for a cracked desk. Like I understand that it's unfair, but that's their business. Like, you got to run your business, right? And you have to account for that. If I sell something, I ship it with insurance, right? But I'm not paying $2,000, you know, and gonna live with a crack in the desk. All right, LG has pretty thin packaging for the OLED TVs that they ship. If one of the TVs crack, right, because somebody drops the TV and I don't know, something in the conveyor belt, something like punches through it and breaks the glass, I mean, that's their problem. Like, whatever money that they save on shipping, that's their problem. That's not my problem. So that's just operating costs, right? And you gotta have insurance and all that. But for normal people buying this for work, I mean, somebody's got to think of you, right? You know, the guy who has to sit here and make the $2,000 to buy a desk. So that's a lot of money, because it goes from the perspective of, there's people that are saying, oh, just get a desk, a free desk, $100 desk, $200 desk. I mean, if you've had back pain, you know how long it takes to go to these physical therapy, massage therapist sessions, corrective exercise specialist sessions, and you know how much back pain actually costs, how much it actually costs to get it healed. Medicine, if you don't go medicine, you go to an alternate therapy route, you buy healthy food, eat healthy food. You should have been doing that from the beginning anyway. I mean, it adds up pretty fast, man. All right, so if this can, forget, this is my opinion, but the rate of decay of using a normal sit desk and having improper posture and not an ergonomic setup, and you aren't working out, you're just accelerating the rate of your decay. So at the end of decay is death, obvious. So when you have a sit stand desk and you're working out, you are elongating your life. You know, you are striving towards longevity. And now, if you're eating properly, sit stand, moving around, I got that little sit stand mat, I got this little surfboard thing. If I'm using my muscles, you know, maybe I can make it longer, right? I can do better work. I have better blood flow. I can do more, all right? Not even from the perspective of making money. It's just from the perspective of, I can accomplish a project. I feel comfortable today. I'm not in pain. I can work more, and I enjoy working, but it has to be a project I want to work on. If I'm not passionate about the project, I don't want to work on it. And to be in that privileged position where you can choose to work on projects that you enjoy requires you be in a competent position where you can provide that lifestyle for yourself. Long story short, because that became a whole tangent and a rant, I got this desk, got the other portion, the return. This is an L desk. I'm gonna build it. Honestly, I hope I love it. My friend just purchased a Herman Miller and Body He got the Logitech one. He's had it for like a few weeks now, and he's happy with it. I haven't sat in it. I haven't gone to the dealership. It's still COVID, so I don't even know where the dealership is. I have a Steelcase Leap V2. I would like to get a gesture if I did get something, but for right now, my Leap works fine. I'm gonna be adding a hammock to this. I'm gonna be doing a lot, so we'll see how it is. I'm trying to be more active. If COVID gets worse, then I'll focus more on body weight. I'll try to actually just get some simple dumbbells or some simple weights and do stuff at home. And pretty much it. But moving this from the driveway into the house, up the stairs, unboxing it, and now having to build all of this, I'm going to definitely eat, because this took a lot of energy, effort, calories. I need calories. I'm not talking with a slower pace because I'm gonna have a stroke or something. I'm talking with a slower pace because I'm tired, dehydrated, and hungry. And I really didn't notice how much talking and trying to project your voice and describe everything that's in your head on camera, maybe including or excluding stage fright, you heat up. Like, your body actually heats up. So, I gotta go get water, cold water from the fridge, water cool. It feels really nice getting cold water from the fridge. All right, I'll see you guys soon, all right? And I'll start working on the legs for this desk, but I am happy I can get started on this.